Texas Department of Public Safety provides various services to help ensure the safety and security of Texans. Information on traffic conditions, driver services, and emergency preparedness can be found on their website. The Texas Division of Emergency Management coordinates the state's emergency preparedness, response, recovery, and mitigation activities. They work with local, state, and federal partners to protect lives and property during disasters. The Texas Health and Human Services Commission provides a wide range of services to Texans, including health care, food assistance, and child care. They also offer programs to support people with disabilities and older adults. The National Weather Service provides weather forecasts, warnings, and other weather-related information for the United States. Their website is a valuable resource for staying informed about current and upcoming weather conditions. When dealing with extreme heat, it's crucial to take precautions to protect your health and safety. Firstly, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, even if you don't feel thirsty. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohol as they can dehydrate you. Secondly, wear lightweight, light-colored clothing to help your body stay cool. Avoid dark colors, as they absorb more heat. Thirdly, stay indoors as much as possible, especially during the hottest part of the day. If you must go outside, try to limit your exposure to the sun. If you have access to air conditioning, use it to keep your home cool. If you don't have air conditioning, consider spending time in a public place that does, such as a library or shopping mall. Fourthly, take cool showers or baths to help lower your body temperature. You can also use cool compresses on your forehead and neck. Fifthly, avoid strenuous activities during the hottest part of the day. If you must exercise, do it early in the morning or late in the evening when the temperature is cooler. Sixthly, never leave children or pets in a car, even for a short period of time. The temperature inside a car can rise rapidly, even on a mild day, and can be deadly. Seventhly, check on elderly neighbors, friends, and relatives to make sure they are doing okay. Elderly people are more vulnerable to heat stroke and other heat-related illnesses. Eighthly, be aware of the symptoms of heat stroke and heat exhaustion. Heat stroke is a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. Symptoms of heat stroke include high body temperature, confusion, rapid heart rate, and seizures. Heat exhaustion is a less severe condition, but it can still be dangerous. Symptoms of heat exhaustion include heavy sweating, weakness, dizziness, headache, nausea, and vomiting. If you experience any of these symptoms, get out of the heat and seek medical attention. During a power outage, it's important to take steps to stay safe and comfortable. Firstly, report the power outage to your utility company. This will help them to identify the cause of the outage and restore power as quickly as possible. Secondly, turn off all lights and appliances to prevent a surge when power is restored. Leave one light on so you know when the power comes back on. Thirdly, avoid opening the refrigerator or freezer unnecessarily. Food can stay cold for several hours if the doors are kept closed. Fourthly, use flashlights instead of candles to avoid the risk of fire. If you must use candles, keep them away from flammable materials and never leave them unattended. Fifthly, stay away from downed power lines. They can be extremely dangerous. If you see a downed power line, report it to your utility company immediately. Sixthly, if you have a generator, use it safely. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and never operate it indoors or in an enclosed space. Carbon monoxide poisoning can be deadly. Seventhly, stay informed about the status of the power outage. Check your utility company's website or social media pages for updates. Eighthly, if you need assistance, contact your local emergency management agency or call 211. The Texas Department of Public Safety offers several resources to help individuals prepare for and respond to emergencies, including extreme weather events and power outages. These resources include safety tips, checklists, and information on how to report emergencies. The Texas Division of Emergency Management provides information and resources on a variety of topics, including disaster preparedness, response, and recovery. Their website includes information on how to create a disaster plan, build a disaster kit, and stay informed during emergencies. The Texas Health and Human Services Commission offers a variety of programs and services to help individuals and families in need, including assistance with food, housing, and healthcare. Their website includes information on how to apply for these programs and services. The National Weather Service provides weather forecasts, warnings, and other weather-related information for the United States. Their website includes information on current weather conditions, forecasts, and severe weather alerts. Staying informed about the weather can help individuals prepare for extreme weather events and take steps to protect themselves and their families. In addition to the resources mentioned above, there are also a number of other organizations that can provide assistance during emergencies. These organizations include the American Red Cross, the Salvation Army, and local community organizations. It's important to have a plan in place in case of an emergency. This plan should include information on how to evacuate your home, where to go, and what to bring. It's also important to have a disaster kit that includes essential supplies such as food, water, first aid supplies, and a flashlight. By taking these steps, you can help to protect yourself and your family during an emergency. Remember to check on neighbors, especially those who are elderly or have disabilities, to make sure they are safe and have the resources they need. Community support is essential during emergencies, and helping those in need can make a significant difference. Continue to monitor local news and official sources for updates and instructions. Emergency situations can change rapidly, so staying informed is crucial for making informed decisions and taking appropriate action. Consider signing up for emergency alerts from your local government or emergency management agencies. These alerts can provide timely information about potential threats and recommended actions. If you have pets, be sure to include them in your emergency plan. Make sure they have access to food, water, and shelter, and that you have a way to transport them if you need to evacuate. Familiarize yourself with local evacuation routes and shelters in case you need to leave your home. Having a plan in place can reduce stress and anxiety during an emergency. If you have any medical conditions that require special attention, be sure to inform your local emergency management agency or healthcare provider. They can help ensure that you receive the necessary care during an emergency. Stay calm and focused during an emergency. Panic can lead to poor decisions, so try to remain calm and think clearly about your options. Trust your instincts and make the best decisions you can based on the information you have available. Remember that emergency responders are working hard to help those in need. Cooperate with them and follow their instructions to help them do their jobs effectively. After an emergency, it's important to assess the damage to your property and report any losses to your insurance company. Document the damage with photos or videos to support your claim. Be patient and understanding during the recovery process. It may take time for things to return to normal, but with perseverance and community support, you can overcome the challenges and rebuild your lives. Taking proactive steps to prepare for emergencies can help to minimize the impact on your lives and communities. By staying informed, having a plan in place, and supporting each other, you can increase your resilience and ability to cope with challenging situations. The websites provided by the Texas Department of Public Safety, the Texas Division of Emergency Management, the Texas Health and Human Services Commission, and the National Weather Service are valuable resources for staying informed and prepared. Regularly check these websites for updates and information on how to protect yourself and your family during emergencies.